The next machine we will introduce today is the RF4008HP, a giant ray tester, heated plate method. This machine conforms to the AATCC test method 201. We have a computer program to be used with this machine. It will show the reading from the temperature sensors and also the graphs during the test. It can also store the test results and export the report for you to print or store. The tester has a top cover that can be opened easily. And in the front of the machine, you will see a little cup. In this cup, you should put the test liquid you want to use. In the standard, you need to use DI water for this test. You can also use artificial sweat for your need. In the middle of the machine, you will see a big heated plate. This is where you put the specimen. When doing the test, you need to lay the specimen onto this heated plate with the face of the fabric that will touch the skin of the human facing down. At the middle of this heat plate, there is a little water outlet. When testing, the water will come out from here and will simulate the sweating of human skin. On the side of the machine is the air duct. Air of a controlled speed will come out of this duct horizontally across the surface of the specimen. This is a small metal plate that we use to hold down one side of the specimen closer to the wind to prevent it from sliding away. At the top of the machine, you will see two sensors. One is for the temperature of the specimen, and then the other one is for the wind speed. In the back of the machine, there is also a hole to put in the external calibration anemometer to measure the wind speed inside. This is for calibration. To do the test, you need to open the top cover, put in the specimen, and then close the cover. Then you need to operate the machine on the computer software. All the data will be automatically collected and calculated. It will also store all the data afterwards for your reference.